Hi, I am Aditya, co-founder of Mowito Robotics. Welcome to Forming Now. This is a demonstration for adaptive fastening, where you can see an engine block on the conveyor and there is a nut runner which is mounted on a cobot which aligns to the engine block and automatically fastens the bolts on the fly. There is no need to stop the conveyor at all. And the same system can be used for drilling, riveting, tapping and so on. This is a demonstration for tactile inspection of the bike's control panel, where we can check every switch with the cobot and we capture the force feedback from the button and decide if the switch is faulty or okay. The force feedback is coming from the cobot and that's what we are using to decide whether each switch is functional or dysfunctional. This is a system for dummy seal insertion in the wire harness industry. We have a flex feeder here and we're picking dummies from this and inserting into connectors. It's integrated with the camera system that you can see on top. The same flex feeder and the system can be used for different dummies, and not just dummies, it can also be used for different small parts that are used in the industry, small assembly, sheet metal parts, microprocessors and other electronic components. This is a demonstration of a dual cobot wire harness inspection system where we are showing the ability to manipulate flexible components like wire harness, the ability to handle them and place them in a pegboard like this, precisely the way it needs to be placed, so that further actions can be taken on it like inspection, taping and clamping. At Mowito Robotics, we build physical AI systems that take real-time feedback from camera and force sensors to guide robotic arms. Even today, most manufacturers use robotic arms with fixed trajectories and with a lot of jigs and fixtures, which makes them very inflexible and expensive to scale. We are changing that. We are building flexible systems that scale with ease and bring ROI much faster to manufacturers. Our goal is to bring automation to every process that's being done in every factory in the world.